Yes. Good morning, students. Now, these are the formulas intersection of a line with a cone, right? Now, the points of intersection of a line here x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n, and the cone f of x comma y comma z is equal to, this is a standard equation of a cone, no? Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy is equal to 0. Or the points of intersection are, these are the 2 points, right? First one coordinates are lr1 plus alpha, mr1 plus beta, nr1 plus gamma. Second coordinates here lr2 plus alpha, mr2 plus beta, comma nr2 right, comma nr2 plus gamma only, right? Next, where r1 and r2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. See how to find, what is the procedure actually. If you want to find a point of intersection of a line of a surface, whatever it may be, the surface, it may be a plane, it may be a core, it may be a cylinder, whatever it may be, first of all an arbitrary point on the line we have to choose. An arbitrary point on the line is equal to, how to choose an arbitrary point on the line, you have to equate it to r. X is equal to LR plus alpha, y minus beta is equal to R, means y is equal to MR plus beta, Z is equal to NR plus gamma. That is the random point on the line, right? If the line intersects any surface, it may be a plane, it may be a cone, it may be a cylinder, whatever it may be, simply substitute that random point in the equation. That means in the place of x we have to substitute x value. X value is equal to, what is x value, we have to equate it to r, no? X is equal to lr plus alpha, x is equal to lr plus alpha, y is equal to mr plus beta, z is equal to nr plus gamma. From here, if you substitute in those values here, you will get a quadratic equation in r, right? Now every quadratic equation has at most two roots. Let the roots be r1 and r2. Once you get r1 and r2, if you can substitute in the general point, a random point on the line, you will get these 2 points right? Next one is the tangent lines and the tangent plane at a point. Let again x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n be a line through the alpha, beta, gamma of the cone ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy is equal to 0. This equation of the tangent plane E is given by, now some cone is given to you. Tangent plane means if a plane touches the cone at a single point, then that plane is said to be a tangent plane, and the tangent plane is the formula, this one. Actually it is not there in the syllabus, I think. Now we don't have some problems on these tangent planes. Please go through the formula, that's it. Now condition for tangency, right? A plane is said to be a tangent plane if this condition is satisfied. What is that condition? Determinant of AHGLA HBFM GFCN LMN 0 is equal to 0. If the 4 by 4 determinant value is equal to 0, then we can say that the given plane touches the cone and that plane is nothing but a tangent plane of the cone. Now the tangent plane at any point of the cone passes through the vertex. Simply have to remember this one. The tangent plane at any point of the cone passes through its vertex. Right? Next one is reciprocal cones. Reciprocal condition for the cone. It is the general equation of a cone. No? What is the general equation of a cone? Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a cone. Now it possesses 3 mutually perpendicular planes if this condition is equal to 0. Sir, what are capital ABC? Those capital ABC are the cofactors of small abc in the determinant, right? Now see here, this is the determinant. If you want, what is the cofactor of this one? How to find a cofactor? Delete the row and column, right? And the remaining elements form a square matrix. No, determinant of the square matrix is called cofactor of A. right? So, now here tangent planes, if it's reciprocal cone, a reciprocal cone is simply e cone lagane untundi as it is, but you have to replace small letters by capital letters only. For any equation, if the cone equation is given to you, its reciprocal cone is always of this form only, where we have to find capital A, capital B, capital C, capital F, capital G and capital H. So how to find those capital A, capital B, capital C and F, G, H values? Once the cone is given to you, simply we have to write the determinant A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C. This is the determinant, no? Right? This is nothing but a pair of planes condition. Okay, now here capital A value is nothing but cofactor of small a, right? What is, how to find a cofactor of small a? This is, we have to delete this row and column. The square matrix is BFFC, right? The determinant of this matrix, what you'll get? BC minus F square, right? This BC minus F square is multiplied by minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. That means this element belongs to first row and first column. That means cofactor means what? The minor of an element is multiplied by minus 1 to the power of I plus j, where I is the ith row, j is the jth column of the element. Now the cofactor of this one is BC minus F square. See here. Now if you want to find the capital B value is in the determinant. What is the determinant? Cofactor of B I have to find out. That means I have to delete this column and this row. This column and this row. Remaining elements means A, G, G, C. Right? That means AC minus G square. AC minus G square is multiplied by what? AC minus G square is multiplied by, if you want to find the cofactor of this one, this minus 1 to the power of second row minus second column, no? Second row, second column is 1 plus 1. That is minus 1 to the power of 2 is AC minus G square only. Or AC, or you can write CA. Both are same. Similarly, cofactor of this capital C, if you want, this capital C value if you want to find out, in this determinant, delete this row column and this row. The remaining elements means AH, HB, right? Its determinant is AB minus H square, right? Now that minor is multiplied by minus 1 to the power of I plus j, third row, third column, 3 plus 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 is 6. That means again positive. You will get AB minus H square. See, AB minus H square. Similarly for others. G. You can find F is cofactor of F only. Sir, there are ikkada position second row, third column left on the third column and third row, second column left on. You can choose this one or this one, no problem at all. You will get the same result, right? See, if you find the cofactor of this one, delete this row and column, delete this row and column, right? You will get AHGF, no? AHGF, right? Similarly, if you want to find a cofactor of this one, delete this column and this row, AGHF, AGHF. Again you will get the same result. AGHF. That means it is multiplied by minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, whereas this is multiplied by minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. That's it. Okay. Similarly, we can find other values. Now reciprocal cone of a given cone is always in this form. You can find capital A, B, C, F, G, H by using this determinant. Sir, what are small a, b, c? Small a, b, c are these values: x square coefficient, y square coefficient, z square coefficient, yz coefficient by 2, like that. Given cone nunchi we will get the values of a, b, c, f, y, z, F, G, H, right?